This is one of the best keyboards that is affordable, and that is also recommended for people like myself that they are an expert into custom mechanical keyboards, because it's hot swappable. You can change almost everything of the keyboard itself, and you can start to customize it as you prefer it. Now, I got this because my Rocket that I use right here in the studio, half of the keys aren't working, and it's a pain, especially if I want to live stream into the channel, I want to play a game, and some of the keys doesn't work. Isn't really good, isn't it? So, let's unbox it and check it out. Now, my keyboard is the ISO German version, because I live in Germany, so maybe your layout is going to be different. Now, as you can see, guys, one of the few things to notice, Keychron, I will love that you guys change your packaging a little bit, at least here in Germany, because it came really bang up, as you can see on the box itself. Let's hope that inside the keyboard is perfectly fine. The top and set it aside. One small, really tiny foam right here. Here is the quick starter guide. Now, if you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box. Yes, my friends, these come with two different sets of keycaps already included inside of here, for Apple or for Windows. So if you are using Windows like myself, we'll have to change them before you use it. Recommended. This is an option that gives you how to use VIA key remapping software. Now, here in Germany, you only have 3 possibilities of switches. Mine are the ones that they are the Keychron brown switches, but you can also purchase them in red and blue. I know that the US version have some different switches that you can use. Now, this is a 10 keyless mechanical keyboard, and let's see what is inside of the box. Here on the side is one small bag with the Windows keycaps. Really good, really good. And what is in here? Here is the USB to USB Type-C cable, and as you can see, this is in a right angle, because I do believe that the keyboard have the input on the left side. That's why you need it. It's going to make your run a little bit longer, but thanks that this keyboard is also wireless. It's compatible with the Broadcom Bluetooth chipset 5.1, and you can pair it with 3 different systems. But of course, as well, as I said before, you can use the cable connected to your PC if so you prefer it. Now, if you're going to use it wireless, that you know, guys, that this have a beast of a battery. It's a 4000 milliamp battery inside of here. So it's going to last you, according to Keychron, around 240 hours. With the backlight off, of course. Now, here you have the keycap and switch remover. And in here, a tiny screwdriver and Allen key. You can see it's really tiny, guys. Now let's take out the keyboard itself. We have a really good weight into it, and here is the instructions manual, but for the moment we don't need this. Let's set the box outside and let's take it out. And here it is, guys. It's beautiful. I love the keys that came with this. I know that you can purchase different I know that you can purchase different keycaps inside of the Keychron store itself. Now, as you can see, it have a metal frame all around it. I will prefer it if they make it the same height as the board itself right here, but because it's going to be a little bit difficult to clean on the sides. But anyway, and the board itself is of plastic, but it's really good quality plastic, and it matches the metal frame around it. Now, as you can see, you have some rubber parts, some rubber fits right here, and of course, to set up the inclination as you want. This looks great, guys, and the sound is amazing. I will include a clip of the sound right here in this part of the video so you guys can hear it. And of course, we have to change the keys for the Windows ones. So you want to take your keycap remover tool and you want to select the keys that you want to remove. Simply set it underneath the key and you only need to pull. And here is the switch itself. As you can see, they are the Gator Browns. Now I'm going to change all the keys for the Windows ones and set it into the PC that I have back there and test it out. As I said before, on the left side, you're going to have right here the connection for the USB Type-C cable, as well as you want to set up the wireless Bluetooth, and if you want to have it into cable, off or Bluetooth connection. Everything is in this side. Now, let's set it into the PC. I'm not the best typer in the world, I'm really not, so don't make fun of me. And now that I say that, I know that you guys are probably going to start to make fun of me in the comments. But anyway, so let's start trying this out. And it's great. I really like the sound. I hope the microphone have taken that. Now I will have to do another shot. But one thing that I want you guys to know, and Keychron, if someday they watch this video, that they know, the cable is a little bit short. So you have a big setup or some big space between your tower or when you want to place your keyboard. If you want to use it with the cable, it's going to be a little bit on the difficult side. So I recommend you guys to get a new cable for it. Apart from that, the keyboard is great, and probably I'm thinking to change my Logitech that I have upstairs where I do most of my editing and gaming, not here in the studio. And probably I'm going to bring that under and bring this one upstairs to my setup because it feels great, guys. And the possibility to change all the switches and everything on it, I really like it. So guys, if you want to check out the Keychron K8 Pro, go into the description down below and I'm going to let you guys all the affiliate links for it. And of course, like that, you can also help the channel out. Now, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like into the video because this really helped me out, and to subscribe for more content like this one. Thanks for watching, my friends, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.